dragon? How could that happen? Oh, these fishies again. No, why are you going there? Stop! No princess for you. I told you not to jump there. Oh, I can't take it anymore. You forgot the coin. Mushroom. Get the mushroom.
Shoo, I don't have any mushrooms.
Go get the mushrooms.
I don't have it.
No. Don't run into the dragon.
Which dragon? Oh!
There's a snail ahead. Don't go there.
Gary, where? Sue and me? What about me?
Sam, don't distract me.
Really? I want to play too. Oh, I know. Mario, you say? We'll see who wins here. Sue! We'll play Mario together!
Huh?
I have an idea. Come.
Hi, guys.
Hey, Mario lovers and everyone.
Tell me, what did you come up with this time?
My own Mario. Ugh. Oops.
Is that why you brought so many wooden bricks here?
Sure, they're the main part of the game. We'll build a wall from these bricks.
A wall?
Correct! It will be a super game wall.
Oh.
And Mario will be on top of it.
Uh-huh. Okay, I don't quite get it, but it sounds cool. Sam, tell me, what do I need to do?
First, take this brush and the paint.
Thanks, Sam.
And start painting the base of our wall.
Where are you off to, my restless friend?
I have to prepare new parts.
Oh, okay then. Well. We'd better polish this piece first. To do it, we'll need some sandpaper. We'll make this bar perfectly smooth so we don't get any splinters. Let's work on all the edges, thoroughly and carefully. The surface should be smooth. It's a very important step. If you like it when everything is beautiful, of course. Here, the surface became smooth and now we can paint it. I'm not surprised that Sam chose this chocolate color. Looks tempting, but what is it for? Maybe it's not a wall at all. But what then? A huge chocolate bar? Da-da-da-da-da-da. Sam's still not here. He could give more info about what I'm doing. The time is running and I'm still painting. This way I'll be doing it forever. Oh no, I know a faster way. Ta-da! No more log painting. Phew, the color's so even. Awesome.
Here I am.
Oh, what's this for?
We'll make new pieces according to this layout.
Aha, I got it. Okay, let's start. This brick wall will be held together by glue, not concrete. Like this. It's the beginning.
Yes, good job, Sue. You're doing great, and I'll make the second part.
Done. What's next, Sammy?
Time to paint again.
Sam, what is your actual idea, huh? I'm super curious.
I already told you to play Mario together.
But we have the console for this. You can play for Luigi. Or just watch how I fight everyone fiercely.
But I want to play with you.
Really? Then let's play a fighting game, my friend.
Whee! Friendly brush battle. Sue, you aren't giving in, are ya?
No, Sammy, I'm playing seriously. And the winner is friendship.
Oh, shall we paint together?
Sure, I can't do it without you, Sammy. You're the best helper. Just answer a simple question. A snap or clap?
Maybe we can do a bit of magic. You know, my favorite kind.
Oh, go ahead, sir. Go ahead. You're the pro here. I even have a special cloth. We'll cover the parts. And done.
I see you are prepared. Just like for a real trick. Paint, repaint, repaint, boom! And now freeze for a sec. And all eyes are on me. Whoosh! Remove the cloth. Do it quick for the trick to be successful.
Whoosh! Here's our magic trick. Woohoo! It worked. It's so bright and amazing, Sammy. I love our magical ideas. Magic adds something special to our crafts, right? Check out this rich color. Now we have 3 perfectly painted parts. The question is, what for? What do we do next, Mr. Great Inventor?
You're thinking in the right way, but you shall glue the green parts to the base. But do it really well. It's super important.
The notches should be facing each other like this, correct?
Right you are. Here's the craft tool.
Okay, we'll apply a bit of glue and spread it all over the surface. Now let's glue our part carefully and super firmly. We can even press it a little. Now it's time for the second part. Guys, be careful with hot glue. Ask an adult to help you. There you go, let's set the second green part, and here's the structure we got in the end. I hope it's the thing we need.
Cool! Great! Awesome! It's high time to use our bricks. I already painted them a juicy orange color, and now they're bright like oranges.
So appetizing. I would love to eat one of these.
Susan, it's my thing to compare crafts with food.
Oops, well, the bricks are just too beautiful, but of course they are absolutely inedible.
Right, everything for the game. For a great mission, I'd say.
So many bright colors today. My head's spinning already. Such a lovely sight. Every brick is a masterpiece. It's a perfectionist's heaven.
Let's better build the wall, Dreamer Sue.
Awesome! I was waiting for it. Finally, I know everything. Brick to brick. Step by step. One by one. Let's use some editing magic. You're not against that, are you guys? And our wall is growing and growing.
Go, Sue! I believe in you!
You believe in me? You better help.
You're doing just fine. And I have a different task.
Oh, okay. Let's proceed. We'll accelerate a bit so the wall grows faster. This is fun. The wall's so bright. The last layer, the last row, the last brick, and done! Here you go, Sammy. A bright, juicy wall for our game is locked and loaded. I can't wait to play.
It's just super awesome. I could only dream about it. Meet Mario. Mario, this is Sue.
We've met before. I'll tell you a secret. Soon you'll conquer the wall. But stand here for a while.
This will serve as a platform for him.
Another puzzle. Let me think. We'll add a bit of glue. There we go. And let's glue the bricks together. And Mario goes here.
Mario looks cool as well.
We just need to assemble the hammers for the game.
I'll make my own hammer myself if it's okay.
All right, Sammy, and I'll assemble mine. To make a hammer, we'll need a brick and this stick. You can pick a brick of any color. We'll add a drop of glue and connect the brick to the stick.
My hammer is ready!
And mine as well! Let's have a closer look. They came out great! So, my valiant hero, let's go play.
Dear viewers, I proudly present the Mario dropping game made of wood. And here come the two players, beautiful Crafty Sue.
And great inventor Sam.
Let's go, the game begins.
Wait, first we need to tell our viewers about the rules.
That's no big deal. You take the hammer and hit the bricks until Mario falls down.
But the player who drops Mario loses.
So, shall we start, guys? Sabotage! Yay! I did it!
Wow, great job, Sam. Now it's my turn. So I'll choose this brick. Bam, bam, bam! Yes!
Whoa, Sue did her best. Now me. Come on, come on! Ah! Have my revenge! Let's play once more, Sue.
Okay, let's do it again. Hop. Ta-da!
This time I'll use a new strategy.
Oh boy, can't wait to see it. Now the first hit is mine. Like this, carefully.
Oh, I guess this brick is easy to knock out. Oh no! My plan didn't work.
That's what you get when you try to cheat. That's an exciting game, Sammy. It was so much fun.
Yeah, very much. I lost in the game I made myself. Just awesome.
Oh, come on, you'll definitely win next time.
I want a rematch right now, so I really need to win.
Okay, your word is my command.
Let's go! Ah, ah, oh, ooh, ooh.
Hey, Roger! Roger! It's time for a new crap! Oh, what happened to you?
Oh, Sammy, I guess I've got a cold.
Oh no, why? Who am I gonna make a new craft with?
Hold on, Sammy. I think I might have a solution. I know a guy.
Oh? Hello?
Hey, pal, we need your help here. Can you come over?
Oh, yeah! Okie dokie. I'm gonna need... Ah, here they are. And also... Nope. Now we're talking.
So who did you call? This is incredible. This is...
Hey, Mario, buddy! I always knew I could count on you.
I can't believe it!
Hello, Sammy. Let's go. I'll help you.
Hi guys! Welcome to the Mario world!
Where is my partner? Double click.
I'm here and I'm in character too! I even managed to bring the first piece. I'm so excited!
Wow. Ooh. Sam, weren't you planning to dress up like Luigi?
Oopsie. We'll change this during the video editing. And you'd better stay in your character. We're gonna have a super race today, guys!
That's a true. So watch closely. Ah. Oh yeah.
Mario's mushroom strength in action!
Wanna see the key to winning the race? We need a cool joystick to be able to reach the highest speed.
Wow! Careful, it's my first drive. Where's the brake here?
Your steering wheel needs a small enhancement. Let's glue these two cardboard pieces together, like this. Vroom, vroom! Hey, make way! The winner is on the track! And we're done with it.
Don't you think that this steering wheel needs more of an upgrade?
Well, of course. Ah! Oh. Hi-ya! Just kidding.
Do everything neatly, guys! Yay! I helped! Now it's time to put together the two ready pieces!
Thanks, Sam. Here we go. Awesome! We can say we're done with the steering part. Beep beep.
Mario, are we ready? I've started training on tiny race cars. Hey, say something!
I'm lacking speed here.
So what should we do? We can't win any race not being able to speed up.
Don't worry, we have all we need right from the factory. Well, let's check out what's in here. Oh, yup, just what we need. Whoop. And like this. But how should we? Ah. So, how are we doing? Wow!
Guys, the most interesting part is yet to come. Feel free to subscribe and give us a thumbs up.
There you go!
Wow, so another joystick is gonna be hidden inside the pedal? Cool! Let me speed things up. One more time. Shiver me shudders! It's like there's a speed block or something. What should we do?
I think we just need to do a little more work. Ah! Whoa, what a piece we got ourselves. We just need to work it up a notch. And here's what we've got. This way. We need to push it well.
Oh, this will be huge from every angle. I guess Mario will be good without me.
Come on, Sam. The race is coming soon. Did you chicken out?
Excuse me? Slimes are the bravest creatures according to Slime Wikipedia.
Right. Oh, whoosh. Yeah.
Super strong, you see? I'm even stronger than Mario himself.
Then we won't need any power-ups on the race. It's a vast advantage.
But that doesn't mean that I don't need help. It's heavy, Mario. Whoa!
Oh. Aha. Now we're talking.
Holy cannoli, we're driving! Where are we going? What's the highest speed possible?
I don't know yet, but this is so cool.
Don't you see that the racetrack is invisible? The training ground is empty!
You're right. Then we should move on to the next stage of the craft.
It totally slaps! But what exactly are these?
Ooh, side panels, awesome, huh?
I've never seen anything like this! Whee!
Well, we're almost done here. And the main screen is in its place.
Wow, Mario, you did great making that huge thing. But as for me, you're still not fast enough.
Oh, seriously? What are you going to say about this? No rush with hot glue. 1, 2, 3, and let's go! Awesome! What else? Well, sure.
Did you come up with something else?
You'll see.
But, huh?
Let's just add some cool decor.
Well, I wasn't idling my thumbs either. Check it out. Oh.
Well, Sammy, you're a real engineer. But I can also do something. A little bit here. And... oh, it works. Why don't we finish the decor with such a cool ribbon? Just a little bit more, like this. Glue here. Press well. Great. Whoa. And here goes my personal logo. Now everyone will know who the craft master is here. Come on. How come? Mario was so engrossed in the race that he didn't even notice how much time has passed. Guys, did you like our video today? Give us a thumbs up if yes. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Yes. See you later.